In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a calendar in a Google Sheets cell to select a date. This feature is incredibly useful for those who regularly work with dates within their spreadsheets, simplifying the process of date entry and reducing the possibility of errors. First things first, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have one already open, just head over to Google Sheets from your web browser and open a new or existing spreadsheet. Once you're in, take a moment to look over your data and identify which cell you want to add the date picker to. Simply click on that specific cell to select it. Now that you've got your cell selected, direct your attention to the menu at the top. You want to click on the Data tab. This is the starting point for applying various rules and validations to your selected cell. Once you've clicked on Data, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to find and click on Data Validation. This step is crucial as it enables us to set parameters and rules for the type of data each cell can accept. After clicking Data Validation, a new pane will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where we'll set our validation rules, so click on Add Rule to start customizing this cell. In the data validation options, you'll see a number of criteria to choose from. For our purposes, enabling a date picker, you need to select the option Is Valid Date. This ensures that the cell will only accept date entries, helping prevent any input errors and keeping your data clean and concise. After you've selected Is Valid Date, don't forget to click Done. This applies the changes and confirms your data validation rule for that specific cell. The rule is now in place, but we're not quite finished. To see the calendar in action, go back to the cell where you applied this validation rule and double-click on it. A small calendar icon will appear, allowing you to easily select a date rather than manually typing it in. This simple tool not only makes your worksheet more user-friendly, but also significantly cuts down on the time spent worrying about date formats. And that's it. With these easy steps, you've successfully added a calendar to a Google Sheets cell, making date selection a breeze. I hope you found this feature as helpful as I do, especially in streamlining how you manage and input date-reliant data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to stay tuned for more tips on making the most out of Google Sheets.